What's up, YouTube? This is my first ride with the new mufflers on, and I gotta tell you, man, the sound is unbelievable. It is loud. It is most definitely loud. J Fast, if you watch your buddy, I hope you can't hear me as well. Oh my God, I cannot believe the difference this makes. But if you're on the fence about this exhaust, or any exhaust for that matter, now granted, I've just been on the bike for about 2 minutes, and I can't stop laughing or smiling, dude. I mean, this is unreal. Just listen. Oh my God. Oh. Alright, I gotta pull over because that tapping noise that you're hearing is the chin strap to my helmet that I never secured. Hopefully my wife doesn't see this because she's gonna be pissed. But luckily there's a stop coming up. I'm gonna pull over in a parking lot of I believe it's a Family Dollar, and get my stuff right. But man, oh man, this is what this bike should sound like. This is how it should sound like. Now, you know, whether or not it's too loud, that it's yet to be determined. There are several bikers that live in my neighborhood, and they ride incredibly loud Harley Davidson, so I don't think my neighborhood is going to be a problem. Look at all this cut grass over here. All over the road. Alright, I'm back. So I'm going to do a quick lap or two, maybe around the block. The skies are looking awfully nasty, and I, unfortunately, have a job I got to go to. So, as you can hear, there is a major difference over the stock system. I probably will, let me slow down a little bit, all this cut grass all over the place. And I should be doing this anyway, ride with earplugs, but one of the positives, and I say this in jest, I'm not being serious, but while I was in the military and working on F-16s, jets, aircraft, ugh, it sucks. I lost a little bit of my hearing, so. I love you. Vance and Hines, thumbs up. You guys know what the hell you're doing. It looks like it's gonna rain, and I'm glad, because they've been cutting the roadsides, and they leave all kinds of debris all over the place. Trash. Oh my God. I mean, I'm at a loss for words. I just can't talk. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride, enjoy the sound of the bike and the exhaust, and I'll just shut up for the last like minute or so. like a freaking, sound like a child, I guess. The dude in that Ford pickup behind me didn't seem to be too happy with me. Maybe he's jealous. Alright, my peoples, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you liked or disliked in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure you click that bell icon to be notified when I upload some more content, because I'm going to be coming out with some other stuff as well. So until next time, YouTube, this is your boy F.N.G. MOTO. I'm out. Peace.